Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to verify your Bumble account. First of all, find and open Bumble application on your device. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, you need to click on your profile icon, which is at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now, you can see complete profile option, which is right under your name. Click on it. Now scroll down a little until you find Verify My Profile button and click on it. Now to verify, you need to click on Take My Photo button. Click on it and your face must be clearly visible. And you must be copying this pose which is given on the screen. After that, you will get a interface something like this, and you need to click on Agree and Submit button. If you are not satisfied with the photo, you can click on Retake button. Now click on Agree and Submit button. So that is how you can verify your Bumble account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.